Okay, we are very proud after 3 decades that Pep Steel are the leaders in innovation, and we tend to be a benchmark in this business of steel, structural steel. And always the most important for us, development our employees, getting our customer satisfaction, sustainability, inequality, and we look forward to continue this legacy for the coming more and more years. Over the years, we can say that Pep Steel try to adapt to all the new technologies, inserting this in our piece of art factories to be the benchmark position to others. So we are proud to be part of this new development. Second, the most important for us, we focus on our asset. Our asset mainly are our people. So we invest in our people, we train them, we share with them, we listen to them, and all that can lead us to a sustainable quality delivery product, which make our customer satisfaction always in a very high rank and have mutual trust between Pep Steel and our customers. This helps us to growth, and most important now, we continue to expand and the growth, and we believe the future is for us for the coming many, many years. Okay, actually this is a big questions and lot of challenges. But in Pep Steel, we try to overcome all these challenges by first thing doing standardization. And second, we do investment in developing a new modern automated systems, inserting IoT also. This can reduce the human errors, have everything is computerized by CNC controls, and we have a very strong quality control system. This also can help to avoid any issues, problems, and to make it easier troubleshooting whenever we have any issue. And all this means we need to develop our people, invest in people. Again, people is Pep Steel asset. The biggest asset for Pep Steel are the people. Open communication also between people, between factories, can help all factories, the 6 factories we have here, to share, learn from each other, and also to develop a very good relationship with suppliers, receiving raw materials, because raw materials have a very important role when you have a high quality raw material, high standardization, quality control, people doing the correct way, sure will ensure to have the highest quality output. To always, our target is our customer satisfaction and to be the benchmark of the market in our quality and in our system. I would like to say thank you to every member in Pep Steel, head office, design, overseas, offices, sales, and especially to our family and team in factory, to the 750 people working very hard, dedicated with passion to deliver the best product to our customer, to have customer satisfaction and to be a benchmark in the market. We believe Pep Steel is #1 in quality and always a benchmark for other companies.